Poor Snoodle. It's being crushed. Alex, you're hurting him. Stop that.
Alex, what did you just ask us? What did you just ask us, Alex? You want friends over? But you're delusional.
I'm fine.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Alex, you want a Snoodle?
Hey, leave her alone.
Shelby's videotaping her.
No! Stop! No! I'm so frustrated.
You can't use a straw or else I'd give you a straw. Can't use a straw for about a week. Oh, you want to get rid of the gauze? Let's get rid of the gauze. Oh shoot! Where's my
It's
flower?
gross.
Oh.
Can you smile, Alex? Do you know how to smile?
Oh, it's so
Why don't you do something else?
My lips are.
It's okay.
This is humiliating.
So you must have had Novocaine too. Did they gas you?
He gave me an IV, and then I got, I went to sleep. And then he probably shot me up after I went to sleep.
He must have.
No, I want one wire.
I'm gonna get a straw and I'm gonna just pour it in your mouth. Just hold on.
Don't eat the tissue.
Alright, here.
Oh, I could drink from
Okay,
a
here.
straw. It's funny. I feel like a bird.
Like a what?
A bird.
A bird? You feel like a bird?
A bird.
Well, that's because of the way I'm feeding you. Does it taste good at least?
It's great.
Okay. Keep it coming. Too bad I can't. You know what? I should get like a turkey baster.
How
And then
about
I can
this?
squirt more in there. Yeah.
No. I like that.
Yeah, but this
thing.
might even be better. Ooh, this is weird. What is this thing for?
It's a squirt.
That's
salt
the
water.
the stuff that gathers at the end of the day.
No, it's
Oh,
to
that's-
squirt salt water in
No,
her
it's
gum.
All right, here.
I feel like it is all